stress your mind. We coming home tonight. Hey, mom, we're gonna be alright. Try those eyes.
Hi, baby. Yeah? Okay, I'll be ready. Bye. Be careful. Bye. I'm not almost ready. Hi guys, so this is my everyday look. I do this when I go to work, I do this when I do errands, I do this when I'm too lazy to do anything else with my makeup and I know I need something that's going to work with my skin tone. Just some peachy colors, some earthy nudes. That's basically all you need for this look, and your regular foundation and an eyeliner. So if you want to know how to get this look, keep watching. I'll talk to you a little bit more at the end. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you enjoy. And yeah, let's get started. So this is the Sweet Peach palette by Too Faced. This is my absolute go-to palette. It is destroyed, as you can see. Not really destroyed, but it's definitely been used. So with that being said, we're going to go into the Peach palette and we're going to use Summer Yum for the crease and all over the lid, basically. Something I really like to do, especially if I'm in a hurry or just as my everyday routine, I like to take a nude color, like a dark nude, very similar to Summer Yum, out of either a Morphe palette or a Juvia's palette, and put that right here, all over my crease. And I go almost all the way to the brow bone. So now I'm going to go in with a little bit of a darker shade in Peach Pit and put that just straight into the corner. If you find that the Summer Yum shade is too dark for your complexion, I've also used Puree all over the lid. Just any matte, earthy brown will work. You can do your eyebrows at this point. Sometimes I finish my eyeshadow and then go back in and touch it up. That's what I'm going to do today. So I'm going to take a combination of peaches and cream and white peach and highlight my brow bone. I just pack that in there with a little flat sport brush. I think this is an Eco Tools brush. I could take a blending brush. Sometimes I use a clean one, sometimes I don't because I am lazy. And blend that highlight into that earth tone we built. Here recently I've been using Nectar as an inner corner shade. That's what we're going to do. And I like to drag it out over the lid also. It's a really pretty shimmery highlighting color. If I don't want to use a highlighter, which on a day-to-day basis I don't, but if I do want a highlighter and I don't have one handy, I will do like this one up here. I do like. At this point, we are going to take a peachy color. I like candied peach and just peachy. I sometimes will mix those together. I'm going to take candied peach at first. I'm going to put that all over the middle of my lip. And if you wanted these to pop a little bit more, you could use a white base or an eyelid primer, a paint pot. But this is my everyday look and I don't typically prime my eyelids. And you can take just a finger or a moistened brush with some setting spray. But like I said, I'm usually doing this within 15 minutes, so I don't prime, I don't do any of that. So here's what we have so far. And then I do like to take just Peachy and Candied Peach. Actually, we're going to zoom in. There's what we have so far. So let's do our eyebrow. I'm using the same thing I used last time, little e.l.f. eyebrow kit, which has never failed me. I'm really surprised about that. And my NYX eyebrow mascara in the shade Blonde. This is actually a little bit lighter than my eyebrows, like I've said before, and it gives some dimension when I put it on. So usually I don't have this huge monstrosity on my face, but since I do today, we're going to conceal it. Because it's red, I am going to take a little bit of this Pro Conceal in a green shade. Any green concealer will work, just to cover up some of that redness underneath my foundation. Now, I actually haven't been using concealer. I've been using this Glamouflage in one of the lightest shades I could find in vanilla. And right here, because I do have discoloration, even with using fade cream, it is a little bit darker around my mouth. So if you look like you are a powdered donut or you're about to make Pillsbury biscuit, that means it's good. You're gonna bake. So in the meantime, while you're baking, you can do your eyeliner. On a daily basis, I do a tiny wing, a little cat eye, which is what I'm gonna do now. I like to do my mascara while this is still baking. So for those of you wondering, lips, when I go to work, I do not wear lipstick. Some days I do, and I end up taking it off within the first hour of a 12-hour shift. So basically for lips, I like Burt's Bees. This one's pink grapefruit. I have an infinite amount of Burt's Bees chapsticks. I am blending out the setting powder. So that's basically it. I'm gonna fix my hair. Hey guys, so I did my hair. But as a finishing touch, I like to put either Too Faced's Sweet Peach Gloss, or as an alternative, I do like a glossy lip stain. This one's by Hard Candy, color Beach Bum, and it's a peachy color. And this is wearable for a 12-hour shift, which is nice. For the most part, this is my everyday look. I go to work like this, I do errands like this. I don't even put primer on when I'm just running errands like today. Tell me in the comments if you tried this, or tweet me. Let me see what it looks like on you guys. I don't know if it's just my skin tone, but this is one of the easiest makeup looks I found that works for my skin tone.